welcome back to Sincerely Grace. So today I have a very exciting video. I have an unboxing video and I've had this item for about a week now in my closet and I've just been staring at it. But I didn't want to open it because I wanted to open it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So the item that we are going to be unboxing is in this beautiful orange box. So it is an Hermes item, guys, and I am so excited. I wanted this for a really long time, and if you've actually seen my 2021 wish list, you might already know what this is. So let me open it up and show you guys. So I've had this item in my home for about a week now, and it's just been sitting in my closet and I've been staring at it. I've been wanting to open it, but I wanted to leave it for a true unboxing video, so I am very excited to share this with you guys. So let me show you what is in this cute orange box. Okay guys, this ribbon, I honestly did not want to open it just because of how pretty it looked, but it is officially off. Okay, so there's the top. Oh my goodness, guys, I have to show you how it looks. So as you can tell, they're a pair of shoes, and I haven't even looked at it and I'm already amazed by the packaging. I'm amazed by the little dust bags that it comes with. So let me show you what is actually in these dust bags. Oh my goodness. Guys, so these are the Hermes sandals in the gold color, and if you watched my 2021 wish list, you might have heard me say that I wanted some Hermes sandals in 2 different colors, and this was one of them. And I did go ahead and mention that I don't know why Hermes says that this is gold. This is clearly a brown color, but I don't care. These are just so cute. I can't wait to wear them. I've been wanting them for a while, but every time that I want to purchase these, it's like in the middle of summer and they're always sold out in my size. So I have a pretty big shoe size. So these are actually 40.5 and in regular US sizes for sandals, I'm a size 10. So these I did go ahead and size up to the size 40 and a half. And oh my goodness, look at you guys. These just feel so luxurious, to tell you the truth. I cannot wait to wear them, and they are flawless. I am so excited to have these in my collection. Okay guys, so here are both of these sandals. So as you can tell, they have the H here at the front, which is all leather, and then the stitching is white for contrast. I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, but I think these sandals just look so luxurious, and I can already tell that these sandals are definitely the type of sandals that is going to dress up your outfit. And not everybody knows that these are Hermes sandals, which I love. If you know, it's kind of like the thing, if you know, you know what I mean? So I love that they're understated, just because there isn't a wild logo that just says like Hermes. Yes, it does have the H in the front, but it's not loud and in your face. I think that these are very well made, very elegant, and I've seen these styled so many ways. I've seen these styled with like sundresses, with shorts, with cut-off jeans, you can even dress them up if you do it correctly, which I definitely am going to experiment with these sandals. So don't be surprised if you see me in these sandals all summer. I definitely want to go ahead and try them out as soon as it starts to get a little bit warmer, and I want to do a full review of my thoughts on these sandals. I mean, already just by looking at them and just how bad I've been wanting them, they're already one of my favorites, and I haven't even put them on yet. And I love, another thing that I love that I do have to mention is that here at the front, it is not the leather. So that is one of the things that I've dealt with my Tory Burch all leather sandals, and basically the leather comes all the way down here. So I mean, their shoes of course are going to scratch, but by having the leather down to here, it's very noticeable once it starts to come off. So I love that the sole, I don't know the correct name of this is, but let me see if you guys can tell a little bit more. So as you can tell, it basically the leather starts up at the top. So that's one thing that you don't have to worry about, is the scratching on the leather, which I think gives this shoe a lot more durability and long lasting. Like I said, I think this is a great price point. Okay guys, so this is the receipt that it came with. I ordered these online. I have been stalking the Hermes website for a while and just waiting for these particular sandals in this color and the size that I need to become available. So I ordered these online and they shipped pretty fast. They got to my home probably in about 5 days. And like I said, I've just been staring at the package, waiting for me to film this for you guys. So I've had these for about a week, and it has been a struggle to say the least to not open them. I wanted to do a true unboxing, but anyway, this is the receipt that it comes with, and I haven't actually opened up the receipt. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Oh wow, okay, so there's an envelope. It says Hermes, I don't know if you guys can tell. And then there's another envelope here, and okay, this is basically like the return policy, and then at the little back of the envelope it has your receipt. So this is my receipt for my purchase, and it lists all of the boutiques here in the United States in the back. So there are a handful of boutiques in the United States, and then this is my actual receipt in the front. So these are retail for $630, which by the way I think is a great price point for Hermes, just because their items are a lot more expensive, I guess you can say. So $630 for a pair of Hermes sandals to me is a good investment. It's a good price point. Well, that is all for today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing video just as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time.